Hi, it's Soitu Gangster. I haven't been making tons of videos because I've been away and I've been practicing making guns because last time those guns were a piece of crap. Thank you for whoever created my sniper live point lever, and thanks for the watchers. Hopefully there will be more watchers because these guns are going to be way better because I've been practicing. And so the first 3 guns I'm going to make is a paper Thompson, a paper MP40, and a paper Luger. It's going to be better than everything else I made. You know, that was just crap. So yeah, hopefully I can get more watchers, viewers, and everything, and more comments. That's pretty much it. So please, just watch out for my next couple videos. They're gonna be really good. The guns are gonna be really good, and I'll do a tutorial for it. I don't care, you know. So that's pretty much it, and bye bye.
So, I guess we're alone on that one. You guys watch.